One thing was clear. If Epson, one of the world's most revered precision engineering companies, were to develop an all-new inkjet plotter, it would have to be unique. It would simply have to be the best. Introducing the Epson SureColor T Series. Developed using the latest advancements in performance imaging, including an exotic micro-piezo TFP printhead and Ultrachrome XD, a breakthrough in pigment-based ink technology. The SureColor's T-Series printers are designed from the ground up to be the most precise, high-performance engineering scientific printers in their class. The SureColor T-Series is a family of 3 printers. The SureColor T3000 with a print width up to 24 inches. The SureColor T5000 with a print width up to 36 inches. And the SureColor T7000 with a print width up to 44 inches. All 3 of these advanced printers incorporate breakthrough technology that redefines state-of-the-art. The Epson Micro-Piezo TFP printhead produces better quality prints faster and more precisely than virtually any other form of aqueous-based imaging. With enhanced variable size droplet technology, an extraordinarily small 3.5 picoliter droplet size, and resolutions up to 2880 by 1440 dpi, the SureColor T-Series printers produce extremely precise line detail, crisp text, and true photo quality graphics. Ink is everything when it comes to print quality, and why Epson has over 80 chemical engineers dedicated to pushing the limits of ink technology. Epson Ultrachrome XD inks represent a significant milestone in chemical engineering. Optimized to produce brilliant color with precise detail across a wide variety of medias, SureColor T-Series prints use ink technology that is truly archival, dries virtually instantly, and is smudge and water resistant across all colors. Epson Ultrachrome XD inks are available in 3 different size cartridges to reduce printing costs. Why compromise quality for speed? With the SureColor T-Series printers, a presentation quality D-size plot takes as little as 25 seconds and can produce up to 110 separate plots per hour. And the integrated stacking print basket neatly organizes up to 20 D or E-sized prints. The SureColor T-Series has superior ease of use with front-loading inks and papers. It also incorporates a space-saving design, allowing the printers to be placed flush against a wall. Spindle-free roll paper support simplifies roll paper loading, and the color LCD control panel provides quick access to important functions, along with an intuitive built-in help system. The SureColor's T-Series plotters come equipped with everything needed to quickly and easily create high-precision color prints. One option to consider is an internal print server, which can boost workgroup productivity by quickly transferring print jobs to an internal 250 GB hard drive. The print server queue can easily be managed remotely from a smartphone, tablet, or web browser, and saved print jobs can be quickly reprinted. The SureColor T-Series printers can print onto a wide range of media types, from inexpensive uncoated bond papers to archival films and premium photographic papers. In addition, prints can be made directly onto rigid 1.5mm thick presentation poster board, eliminating the cost and hassle of separate foam core mounting. The SureColor T-Series was designed and built in a unique way. But it's what you don't see that makes the SureColor T-Series truly remarkable. Every printer is assembled utilizing some of the most advanced technologies available, including a revolutionary robotic welding process. This new level of manufacturing precision means hundreds of bolts can be eliminated, resulting in virtually no deformation of the core printer frame. The process also stiffens the base structure of the printer, eliminating vibration. The result? Incredible levels of precision at microscopic levels for the finest possible quality. The SureColor T-Series utilizes Epson's advanced professional print driver technology, Precision XD. It works flawlessly with virtually any Mac or Windows application to create precise, high-resolution prints with exceptional clarity, whether printing an architectural drawing, concept car design, or an aerial map. The Epson SureColor T-Series printers. Precision, performance, brilliance. It could be the way to print your next big idea.